What's up, traders? I've got to get this video out quick because the money is moving. What's moving is pot stocks. And I feel like I'm a little late to the party here, already moving 20, 30, whatever percent, but not too late. And the reason I've missed this, and the reason everyone else is missing this, is because they've had this massive blind spot. And that blind spot is because people can't cut their losses. If you go to the front page of Wall Street Bets right now, everyone is still talking about GME and AMC. They are still holding on to hope. They're still, instead of smoking what's moving, they're smoking that hopium. And they are missing opportunity. Look at all this. Yesterday, GME and AMC were both down double-digit percents, and they still want to talk about it and make memes about it. It's ridiculous. They are missing what is clearly in front of them, an actual opportunity to make money, to make back those losses. It's not coming back, bro. Even if you just want to be diversified, let's just look at this. The marijuana ETFs, MJ, going crazy. YOLO, going crazy. These are daily charts, by the way. People are missing this opportunity. And so the fact that it's not all over the social media yet gives me hope that there is still room to move. Now, let's not fool ourselves and try to do too much fundamental analysis because these companies don't actually make that much money yet. The hype is being driven by the Biden administration and their possible plans to federally decriminalize marijuana. Things are ramping up, but it's primarily hype. And this is not the first time. Do a little bit of history. The last hype cycle was in 2018. Pot stocks were all the rage. All the rage. Before that, it was blockchain. Last year, it was EV. Last month, January of 2021, it was short squeezes. That's over. That's done. This is where the money is moving. And you need to pay attention. Do not ignore this. These themes, they come about every once in a while, and you just have to ride them. But don't buy the narrative that you're holding these forever. Don't be another one of those normie Wall Street Bets people that hold on to their losses and make memes about it for months to come. Right now, this is where the money is flowing, and there is opportunity. One opportunity, if you want to get in something that's a lower dollar value, is sundial growers. Going strong, still making those 20, 30% moves, but it's under $10 a share. If you want something a little more stable, something I've been talking about for a very long time, long term, is actually Altria, MO. They have a very large stake in the marijuana industry. I think the tobacco companies are probably the best positioned to take advantage of the marijuana industry long term. They've literally been growing, cultivating, processing, and marketing smoking products for hundreds of years. Also pays a very nice dividend. So this would be probably the more boomer choice. But do not ignore what is going on in this industry right now. This is the meme right now. So if you like to play your momentums, if you like to play your hype, this is what you should take your head and pivot it and look at. If you're still in a loser, if you're still in a bag hold, cut it. Take that capital, put it to use. Trade wisely, guys. Have a good rest of your week.